Yeah. I mean, I play the game to... You're the perfect person for me to play against if I want to have fun. Ah, son of a bitch. You knew! I know, I saw you in my rear view. Yes. See, I can hit you. Totally did. Ah, shit. I ran out of mouse pad. I ran out of energy. It did. I don't have much life. Oh shit, you're not where I thought you were. Oh, that was close. Oh my god. that was pretty much luck. When we watch the replay, it's really funny. Yeah, I should have done this level. Dude, I'm really disappointed in myself right now. I let my frustrations get the better of me. Why do I keep coming out with this loadout? This is a really small level. See, I should be using the flak right now, but I don't think I didn't pack my bags. And I didn't shoot my missiles either. Ah, shit. Oh, weird. I've never noticed that before. The ice walls reflect the shots, reflections. And I have reflections turned off. So they shouldn't be doing that. No. It's the impossible Nova. You don't want to fight me. You fired. Oh shit! Did you fire that? I lied. Ah. Hey, what's happening? Stop making that noise. Okay, so do you want me to not move right now? Okay. Alright, well that doesn't count. I was waiting there. You can't be hunting for me while I'm like thinking you need time to fix your whatevers. No, it's fine. Ah. What are you doing to me? I don't know where this, like... Ah, good shot. I was stuck on the corner. Where does that go? Whoa, 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 whoa. I didn't realize you could do that. Oh, shit. Shit, 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 shit. Get out of that corner. Shit, shit, shit. Yeah. I don't know. This level, we need to play this level more because there's a lot of traps. Uh, oh, reflex. I like this spot over here. Oh, let me guess. Another reflex. Sure, why not? Let's try this. Oh shit, I'm changing weapons. Ah. Die! Man, how much life do you have left? You can't. I hit you so much. It sure is. Oops. Did you... Ah, fucking creeper. Ghost. Don't ghost me. Don't ghost me. Don't ghost me. Yeah, you dropped something. Ah, I'm stuck on the wall again. There's like an edge there. You get me every time I do that. I gotta stop doing that. You're trained for it now. Ah. No, I got stuck on that corner edge right there. Changed my mind halfway over there too. See, this is a good 1v1 map, but he would probably hate this map too. Because there's no long shots in here. This is very much a straight heads up game, you know. I can't tell if you can see me or not. And the whole, it's like you charge that cannon anywhere in this level and it's like, oh shit. The whole level lights up. Like it's like you're all around me. Yeah, like wherever you're, it's just the whole level is on fire when you start charging the cannon. No matter where I'm at the level, I can hear it. So it's like it gives me no benefit that I can hear it. What the fuck? The hell do I have that weapon for? God damn, you're fucking everywhere. Where are you? I'm so scared. I don't want to come out. Well, I saw you coming around. I just didn't know which gate you were going to come out of. Ah! Man, I loaded you up so much, but you're still getting me 2-1. Come on. No, it did. I mean, it's 50-50. I got to go one direction or the other. I got a lot of catch up to do here. I can't get this maneuver to work. That hit me? Damn it. See, 100% of the time, I will lose that matchup. I don't know. It's not just you; it's everybody. Everybody seems to always have an advantage, regardless of what gun it is. There's something that I'm missing. I don't think so. I think the other problem I have is I'm stopping. Like, I'm changing directions, and I need to not change direction. That didn't hit you, did it? That hit me? There's just no way I'm going to take this. I got a lot of work to do. That should not have hit me. Yeah, see, so I just dumped 6 meteors on you, or whatever those were, and I got 3 shots in with the thing. I don't know.